Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use Replit on mobile in 2026. So if you want to write code, manage projects, or make quick updates from your phone, Replit makes it possible even when you're away from your computer. First, open the Replit mobile app or visit Replit through your mobile browser and sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create an account and complete the setup process. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your dashboard where you can view existing projects or create a new one. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the mobile layout. Next, tap the Create REPL button and select the programming language you want to use. Replit will generate a new coding workspace optimized for mobile devices. After the project loads, tap inside the editor and begin writing or editing your code. Yeah, the mobile interface may feel different from desktop, but the core features work in a similar way. Finally, once you're finished, simply close the app or browser. Your work will remain saved in your account and can be accessed later from mobile or desktop. And that's it. That's how to use Replit on mobile in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.